Welcome back to another special journey into the hidden world of gemstones. Before we begin, please subscribe and share this video. Your support gives this channel the motivation to keep uncovering rare stones, forgotten legends, and mysteries buried deep in history. And comment anything below, even just one word, so I know you're here, watching and walking this journey with me. Now, some gemstones are worth millions. Others are surrounded by stories people still fear to explain. But the number one stone on this list is different. Its value is so extreme that experts believe it could sell for far more than most people could ever imagine, if anyone were willing to risk owning it. From cursed crystals to mysterious ancient gems, these are the 10 evil gemstones that fascinated history and terrified the people who possessed them. Number 9. Black Obsidian. The dark mirror ancient priests refuse to stare into. Not every evil stone shines like treasure. Some are so dark they seem to swallow the light around them. Black obsidian is one of those stones. Formed from volcanic lava that cooled too quickly, black obsidian has a surface as black and reflective as polished glass. But under light, smoky layers and deep reflections begin to appear inside the stone, almost like an endless void trapped beneath the surface. Unlike diamonds cut into perfect shapes, black obsidian often forms naturally with sharp edges, uneven surfaces, and an unusually cold feeling when touched. Archaeologists have discovered it in ancient ritual knives, ceremonial masks, and burial objects across multiple civilizations. But the most disturbing part was not its appearance. It was how people once used it. Many ancient priests believed black obsidian could reveal a person's true soul. Some legends claimed that those who stared into the stone for too long began seeing images that did not belong to this world. And strangely, the more frightened they became, the harder it was to look away. That is why black obsidian became known as the dark mirror. Not because it created darkness, but because it forced people to face whatever darkness already existed inside them. If a stone could show you something no one else could see, would you dare look into it? Number 8. Bloodstone. The ancient stone warriors believed could choose death. Not every cursed gemstone looks terrifying at first glance. Bloodstone appears almost ordinary until light touches its surface. Inside the deep green stone are dark red markings that look like drops of dried blood trapped beneath the surface. Some stones are smooth and oval-shaped, while others are rough, cracked, and look as if they were pulled from an ancient battlefield. Archaeologists have discovered bloodstone in warrior rings, protective amulets, and burial objects across several ancient civilizations. But what made this stone feared was not its appearance. It was the belief connected to it. During the Middle Ages, many warriors believed bloodstone could sense death before battle. If the stone suddenly felt cold or its color appeared darker, it was considered a warning not to move forward. Some legends even claim that survivors carried the stone for the rest of their lives, believing it had chosen who would live and who would die. The strange part is that despite its connection to blood and death, people were still deeply attracted to it. Perhaps because bloodstone never looked like a normal gemstone, it looked like a warning turned into stone. If a gemstone could reveal your fate before it happened, would you really want to know the truth? Number 7. Labradorite. The stone that looks alive in the dark. Some gemstones simply reflect light, but labradorite makes light appear as if it is moving inside the stone itself. At first glance, it looks dark and ordinary, with cold gray and deep blue tones like wet stone after a storm. But the moment light hits its surface, flashes of electric blue, gold, and violet suddenly appear, almost like the northern lights trapped inside crystal. No two pieces ever look the same. Some are long and sharp like broken ancient glass, while others are smooth and rounded, as if shaped by the ocean over thousands of years. But the most unsettling thing about labradorite is the feeling that the stone changes the longer you stare at it. Ancient northern cultures believed labradorite was not an ordinary mineral, but frozen light. Shamans carried it during rituals because they believed it could open a path between the human world and whatever existed beyond the darkness. Some legends even claim the glowing light inside the stone would slowly fade whenever its owner was in danger, as if the gemstone were absorbing something in their place. That is why, despite its beauty, Labradorite has always made people uneasy because the longer you look into it, the more it feels like something is looking back. If a gemstone could react to human energy, would you dare keep it close to you every day? Number 6, Moldavite, the alien stone. People claim changes lives overnight. Not every cursed gemstone was born on Earth. Moldavite was created after a massive meteor impact nearly 15 million years ago, and from the moment it was discovered, people believed there was something deeply unnatural about it. Moldavite carries a dark, smoky green color that can almost appear black under weak light. Its surface is rough, twisted, and filled with deep textures, as if the stone had melted in fire before freezing in midair. Unlike diamonds or polished gems, Moldavite looks raw and imperfect, yet strangely impossible to ignore. Many people who wear Moldavite claim they experience intense dreams, insomnia, sudden emotional changes, or an overwhelming feeling that their life is shifting too quickly. What makes these stories disturbing is that similar experiences have been reported by people from completely different parts of the world. In ancient spiritual traditions, Moldavite became known as the stone of transformation, but it was never associated with peace. Instead, legends claimed it forced people to confront change before they were ready. Some kept the stone for years. Others threw it away after only a few days because the feeling around it became too unsettling. Perhaps the most frightening thing about Moldavite is this. No one knows whether the stone truly carries mysterious energy or whether people simply become obsessed the moment they touch it. If a gemstone could completely change your life in just a few days, would you still want to own it? Number 5, black diamond. The dark diamond ancient traders feared to sell. Diamonds are usually symbols of wealth, beauty, and power, but black diamond has always carried a very different feeling. It does not sparkle like ordinary diamonds. It seems to absorb the light around it. Its surface is dark and deep like burned charcoal, yet under strong light, cold silver reflections begin to appear inside its natural fractures. Some stones look rough and ancient, like pieces of a fallen meteor, while others are cut into sharp shapes but still feel heavier and more mysterious than any traditional gemstone. What fascinated archaeologists most was its unusual origin. Some ancient black diamonds were believed to have formed differently from ordinary diamonds, possibly connected to meteor impacts billions of years ago. Because of this, many cultures believed the stone did not truly belong to Earth. Throughout history, black diamonds often appeared around powerful rulers, wealthy families, and famous collectors. But so did stories of betrayal, obsession, sudden downfall, and unexplained tragedy. Some traders even refused to keep the stones for long because they believed the gem intensified human greed and ambition. And perhaps that is what makes black diamond truly dangerous. It does not frighten people immediately, it makes them want more. If a gemstone could amplify the darkest desires inside the human mind, what do you think would happen to someone powerful enough to own it? Number 4, fire opal, the burning stone said to bring obsession. Some gemstones look beautiful, but fire opal looks as if it is burning from within. The moment light touches its surface, the entire stone glows with deep orange and red flames, almost like molten lava frozen at its most dangerous moment. Some fire opals are crystal clear, while others contain smoky layers and moving flashes of light that make the inside appear alive. Its shape is usually smooth and rounded, but its color is what frightened ancient civilizations the most. In several ancient cultures of Central America, fire opal was believed to be a piece of sacred fire given by the gods. People believed the stone did not simply carry beauty, it carried powerful human emotions. Archaeologists have discovered fire opals inside ceremonial jewelry, royal ornaments, and burial objects belonging to powerful figures. Some legends claim that people who became obsessed with the stone slowly changed over time, becoming more aggressive, reckless, and consumed by desire. The strange part is that fire opal never pushed people away. The more dangerous it seemed, the more irresistible it became. That is why many ancient stories described it as the stone that burns the soul, not because it contained real fire, but because it could awaken the most dangerous emotions hidden inside a person. If a gemstone could magnify your deepest emotions, do you think you would still be able to control yourself? Number 3. Red Beryl. The blood red crystal collectors became obsessed with some gemstones are valuable because they are beautiful. But Red Beryl became legendary because people were willing to risk everything just to possess it. At first glance, Red Beryl looks completely different from ordinary rubies or garnets. Its color is darker, colder, and deeper, like dried blood glowing beneath fading sunlight. When light passes through the crystal, flashes of crimson, pink, and dark red appear inside, almost like fire trapped beneath glass. Most Red Beryl crystals are small, sharp, and unbelievably rare. In fact, many collectors spend their entire lives without ever seeing a natural specimen in person, and that extreme rarity is exactly what created the obsession surrounding the stone. Some archaeologists believe deep red crystals, similar to Red Beryl, were once associated with power, status, and forbidden rituals in ancient cultures. People believed the stone could influence ambition, loyalty, and human desire itself. But what makes Red Beryl dangerous is not a curse. It is the effect it has on people. The rarer the stone became, the more valuable it grew beyond logic. And history has repeatedly shown that when humans become obsessed with something almost impossible to own, they begin making choices they never thought they would make. If a gemstone rarer than diamonds was placed directly in front of you, do you think you could still walk away from it? Number 2. Taaffeite, the phantom gemstone that shouldn't exist. Some gemstones are rare because they are difficult to mine. But Taaffeite became famous because, for years, scientists did not even realize it existed. At first glance, Taaffeite displays a strange mixture of violet, smoky pink, and pale blue tones that seem to shift under different lighting. Some stones appear soft and elegant, while others glow with a cold metallic reflection that feels almost unnatural. Unlike diamonds, Taaffeite has a mysterious softness in its appearance. Beautiful, but unsettling at the same time. What makes this gemstone truly extraordinary is how it was discovered. Taaffeite was not found deep underground in a hidden mine. It was discovered already cut and polished among ordinary gemstones, meaning people had unknowingly handled one of the rarest minerals on Earth without realizing it. Because of this, many collectors began calling it the Phantom Gemstone, not only because of its extreme rarity, but because it seemed to appear in history almost by accident, as if it had been hiding from human eyes all along. Some modern legends even claim Taaffeite attracts secrecy, obsession, and a dangerous desire for control. Wealthy collectors have paid enormous amounts of money for stones smaller than a fingernail, driven by the idea of owning something almost no one else will ever touch. And perhaps that is the most disturbing part of all. Humanity has always been fascinated by things that feel impossible to possess. If you discovered you owned a gemstone the world once believed did not exist, would you reveal it to everyone or hide it forever? Number 1. Blue Opal. The blue stone ancient cultures believed could trap souls. Not every cursed gemstone looks dangerous. Some appear so calm and beautiful that people willingly bring them into their lives without fear. Blue opal was one of those stones. At first glance, it looks almost unreal. Its surface glows with deep ocean blue colors mixed with pale silver mist, while soft flashes of light move beneath the stone, like something alive underwater. Unlike diamonds with sharp, perfect edges, blue opal is often smooth, rounded, and almost cloud-like in appearance, more like a frozen piece of sky than a mineral from the earth. But ancient cultures did not see it as a symbol of peace. Archaeologists have discovered blue opals near burial chambers, ritual temples, and sacred sites connected to spiritual ceremonies. In several ancient legends, the shifting blue light inside the stone was believed to be trapped energy, or even trapped souls. Some merchants refused to carry it across long journeys because they believed the gemstone slowly affected the minds of those who stared at it for too long. And that is what made blue opal so feared. It never frightened people immediately. It fascinated them first. The longer someone held the stone, the more attached they seemed to become. Some stories even claimed owners began sleeping with the gem beside them every night, terrified of losing it, but unable to explain why. Perhaps that is the most disturbing thing about blue opal. It does not control people through fear. It controls them through beauty. If a gemstone was so beautiful that it made you ignore every warning ever told about it, do you think you would still be able to let it go? And those were 10 gemstones so mysterious, rare, and unsettling that entire civilizations created legends around them. Some were believed to hold power, some were feared for the tragedies linked to their owners, and some may still hide secrets no one fully understands. But out of all the stones on this list, which one disturbed you the most? Was it the cursed blue diamond, the alien green crystal, or the stone that looked alive in the dark? Leave your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoy mysterious gemstones, ancient legends, and hidden stories buried deep in history, don't forget to subscribe for the next journey into the world's rarest treasures.